IELTS test, the second question is usually, where are you from? Or a slight variation. This is really two questions in one. They're asking where you were born and grew up. They're also asking where you live now. Some common problems include saying, I am come from, not extending answers,
I am from Barcelona.
and saying the name too fast. Let's start with the basics. I come from Bristol. I come from Bristol. Notice that I stress the words come and Bristol slightly. I come from Bristol. Now you try with your hometown. How can we extend this answer? Well, there are lots of ways. If you come from the same place to where you are at the time of speaking, you could explain how long you've been there. I come from Bristol. I've lived here all my life. I come from Bristol. I've lived here all my life. Notice the intrusive R between here and all. You could also describe the town or city a little bit. I come from the beautiful city of Bristol. I've lived here all my life. If you come from a different place to where you are at the time of speaking, you could explain your hometown's location. I come from Bristol, which is in the southwest of England. I come from Bristol, which is in the southwest of England. Notice that the words which is in are all connected, as are the words west of England. That's it for today's video, but there will be another video very soon. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell. You can also follow us on Instagram and visit our website. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.